So instead of putting the motherboard in first, I decided that I would put in the fans. I installed the fan up there, and now I removed the front bezel, and I'm going to install a fan right there. To install this fan down there and get back to you. So I got the fan in, so now I'm going to install the motherboard and the power supply. I installed the motherboard, back plate to the PSU, and a few notes. The black screws fit in really nice, and then it also has this bracketing system right here. There's where you screw on the brackets. I had to remove that fan right there in order to get to the screw down there, so that was a mistake that I made. So now I'm going to install that fan again, put in the fan controller, and keep going from there. So I got the fan controller installed, these three nice knobs, and so now I'm going to install all the drives: the solid state drive, DVD drive, and the hard drive. So now I have all of our drives installed: the solid state drive, the hard drive, and the DVD drive. I ended up having to switch from our 320 gigabyte hard drive to a smaller but faster 160 gigabyte hard drive. I also have the wireless card installed now, so I'm ready to put the side panel back on and set the computer up.